Hello and welcome to this unique look at some of the most interesting railways in Germany. Apart from the UK, there's nowhere else in Europe that offers so much heritage railway variety and action as Germany. It's now over 20 years since the Berlin Wall was torn down. Back then, TeleRail were amongst the very first Western documentary film crews to take a close look at the railway transport infrastructure that lay behind the wall that for so long had separated this country. We discovered a time warp of lines and services that were the legacy of the communist era that even included working narrow-gauge freight lines.